So boo, so I'm doing another pack with me. Yes. So clothing items, I'm still debating what I'm gonna take or not. So I'm gonna start off with is like my makeup and skincare because I know more or less what I'm taking. So my other first part was preparing for the road trip. Now I'm like packing for it. So stay tuned, boos. Bags I probably think I'm gonna be taking is for sure my paisley pink one, and then my Tula one that I got a little skincare package in. So I'm gonna take these two. Hair, let's start with my morning skincare, and then I'm gonna make up then my night skincare. I'm gonna take my Tatcha little mini cream, I'm gonna put it in this one. I'm gonna take, oh shoot, everything's falling in my bag. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little Tula, girl, I can't even talk because I'm so exhausted. But I'm taking my Tatcha water cream moisturizer, and then I'm gonna take my Tula gel, carton gel. Should I take this? I think I'm gonna take this because it's little travel size. My Tatcha, the deep cleanse. I'm just gonna take that. Just you never know. So I'm gonna take my Biosonix little squalene oil. So I'm gonna put it in my other bag because it doesn't fit in this bag. So that much from a big bag. Probably take my Laneige sleeping mask. I'm just gonna put some skincare. That's like a lip product. For mask, I'm gonna take a sheet mask. Oh wait, I don't have a sheet mask. My sister got me a sheet mask. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one because my sister got me a sheet mask, so I'm gonna use a sheet mask because like once a week I like to give my face a little treatment. I'm gonna take my Mighty Pimple Patch just in case I need it. So that is it for my little skincare. It's really not that much. And I'm gonna put my glow. I'm gonna even put this one in there. Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to take my glow screen too. I'll put it in my skincare bag, I guess. So I believe that's all I'm taking for skincare. Perfectly in here. Put my skincare on, so this will be in my bag. I showed you on the video, I did get this Versed Cleanse Balm. So I'm just going to stick that in there. Oh, my brush bag's in there. So I'm going to take my cleansing balm. I should put that in my skincare bag. Duh. Put that in there. So yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. So for my makeup bag, did my thing. I'm going to put my squalene oil because it doesn't fit in my cleanser bag. Primer, I'm going to take my Rare Beauty because my name is cute. My CC cream, my SPF from Cosmetics, and then my Giorgio Armani because I like to mix it too, so it gives me like the perfect match. I'm going to take my Patrick Ta. You already know, girl. Basically, all my new makeup. That's what I'm basically taking. My Born Sweet Too Faced concealer. My Morphe spray. I forgot to go to like Ulta and get me a spray. Maybe I don't know. But I'm taking a spray. Because my finishing spray, translucent powder. I'm taking the beauty sponge. My Patrick Ta cream bronzer powder. I'm taking my diamond highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and I've been loving this lately. This is what to give me that sparkly glow. It's like very light, but super cute. So look, you get to like all the makeup from my brush. But yeah, it's a mini one I got a while back. So I'm taking this as a highlighter. I'm gonna take this one. It's very Amore. So it looks like that. Already took a highlighter, brush back so I can separate everything. So my tweezers, mascara, roller. I definitely need to take some Dormex, so have some of that. My clips, wipes I have, so I'm just gonna slide these in there. I'm taking some band-aids because you never know if you need band-aids. So I have a couple in there. I'm gonna take my first aid kit in my backpack, so I'm just gonna throw it back there. And I also got the Venus razor. I got this in the dollar section. I forgot to show this in my other video. But I got this just in case you need to touch up. I just got a razor. And then my all-time favorite dry shampoo at the moment is a Kristen S dry shampoo. You know me, Ruth, I always rave about this. And I got a mini one because your girl need it. So you know, I think about them every single day. I packed my makeup and my skincare bags. Now we're gonna pack the suitcase. So this is all my clothes laid out. I'm guessing I'm just gonna take all these items. So I'm gonna show y'all. So first off, I'm going to take some leggings. Some of these are my little athletic ones, just from Pink, and then I'm gonna take some regular black leggings, and then the ones I just got, some new biker shorts I'm gonna take. And then I'm going to take some black shorts from Target, my favorite ones, if you can see it. Let me move my clothes. So So my black shorts, and I'm going to take my blue jean shorts, depending on how long I'm going to stay there. So I have those, and then I'm just going to take one dressy outfit, because I don't know what I'm doing, but so I'm going to take one dressy outfit. So I'm taking my dress I worn on here recently, and then I'm wearing my Polaroid outfit tomorrow when I do leave. So this will be my outfit of leaving, and then I'm just taking one of my, oh my god, my hair, one of my shirts that I just got. So I'm just taking the round neck one, that one, and then for crop shirts, I'm taking my Shein one. So I'm taking my white one and that one, and then just taking this little crop black little crop top from Forever 21. It has lace on it. You can see it has lace. So yeah, I'm taking this one. I have from Walmart. I cut it up last year to make it a little crop. So I'm just taking my Stranger Things shirt just in case, just to wear, just something basic. And then I'm taking my green from New York shirt, just something comfy to wear. And my Bucky's shirt, my Bucky shirt. And then I'm taking my baby girl from Let's Do Makeup merch. So I'm just taking this one. And then if I'm hot at night and I want to wear shorts, I'm going to take some Adidas shorts. And if I'm cold, I'm going to take some of these long joggers. They're super cute and comfortable. So, and for bikini wear, first I'm taking like an old set just in case if I'm going to a swimming pool and I don't want to ruin like a new bikini. So I'm just taking this one I got a while back from Target. It's just a white one, has some pom-poms. These bottoms are from Pink. So I have those, and this is my new set I got recently at Target. So here are the bottoms. I need cut tags, but yeah, here are the bottoms, super cute. Here's the top. Oh, it's a crisscross one. Wait, what's those? Wait, how does this go? It goes this way. It's like crisscross, but it's super cute. So that's a bikini new set one I'm taking, and then if I don't want to burn my arms, like I told you, I don't like to get dark. So, I like to take my Magellan long sleeve. It's just like this athletic material, just protect my arms because I don't want to get dark. So, I'm taking that just to put over. And then for sure, I'm taking my bucket hat. So, I'm taking my bucket hat. So yeah, I'm taking my bucket hat, bottoms, my socks, the undergarments, already packed in here. And then the bag, the bag I'm taking, I'm not going to take this bag, but I'm going to take this one because it's easier to carry. So I'm going to dump everything from here into here. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to dump everything that's in here. I'm going to take, well, I have a perfume in here. It's Pure Sunshine I got from like Walmart. I'm just going to throw that in there. I have a straw. You never know when you need a straw. So I'm just gonna dump everything, just gonna, like what's in my summer bag I showed y'all in my recent video. I'm just gonna dump whatever's in here. So I'm taking this wallet and I'm gonna put my extra cash in there. So I'm exchanging all my cards off of my Coach one because I'm gonna take a bigger wallet instead of this little one because I can't fit some other things in there. So I just did my bag. So my bag is ready to go. I'm just taking my Vans one because it's easier to carry and it's a backpack. So check, that's done. Makeup and skincare is done. Check. So all I gotta do is just pack my clothes into my suitcase, and then I gotta pack my electronics. Okay, so now I'm gonna pack everything into my suitcase. So I'm gonna pack my flip-flops whenever, if I do go swimming, I'm taking my flip-flops. So I'm gonna put that right here. These the shoes I'll be going in, so I'll just wear these. But yeah. sunscreen and stuff, so I'm not going to carry that with me, but I'm taking my towel. Hopefully it fits in there. It's super cute. Target. Mostly everything that I packed is from Target, honestly, but swish, 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 swish. So I'm going to pack my jewelry now. I think I'm going to take very simple jewelry, a little bag that I just keep my jewelry in. I think I'm going to take my dainty D necklace I got from Girlactik Danyel11. So if you haven't watched that video recently, I just did a collab with them. Go check them out. And I'm going to take one silver dainty necklace. And then for earrings, I'm going to take my silver little mini hoops. And I'm going to take these two. So I'm going to take them off already. So this is just the earrings and necklaces. Lose any of it, but yes, I'm definitely taking those two earrings and those two necklaces. Simple, cute, and dainty. So I'm taking those for jewelry. And for sunnies, take my Cheeto ones. Put the perfume in my bag already. So I'm just gonna take my deodorant. I'm gonna take for this one for at night and this one for during the day. Candles right here. I hear you. I think I'm gonna put these in my bag so it won't break in here. And I have my items already in here. All charged up. A little packet. I like to keep this one in my purse or my backpack. So I have my portable charger, an extra charger, car charger. I got my phone charger in here, but this will be in my bag, so that'll be my backpack. But I gotta charge up my battery, and I gotta charge this one when I'm done filming. And I believe that is it. My laptop, I'll probably charge that right after I'm done. I already got my outfit ready for tomorrow. I believe that is it for all my stuff. I just gotta charge my laptop, my AirPods, my batteries for my camera. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys love my pack with me videos, because I know y'all do love them. And I also love packing videos too. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!